Hey guys, this is Mo with On Point Contractors, aka Jalapeño Fence Co. We are here on day 2 of the double swing gate install. We're using LA-500. You can see right there, double motors right here, one right here, and that's the control box right there. And we are going to put a solar panel right there as well. So it's all going to be solar powered, and we got all of our guys right there working it right now. I think they're getting the wire in. So just figuring out the best way to get it done. Let's see, my peppers are added, or my chilies. I don't know. But you can see what we did over here is we put that wire. So there's going to be a wire that connects both of these motors that you're going to see right here. There's a wire right here. So this is going to get connected in, and both of them have to be in sync and connected together. So this is the conduit we ran right here, and we're still completing this. So we cut out cement, as you can see over here. We cut out some cement, and we're putting this conduit in, and the wires inside it. And then we're going to put some self-leveling cement on there, some self-leveling sealer on there. So the guys that are at work, that's my crew lead Bernie's little camera shot. Let's see if I can show him. Don't pay attention to what he's saying. He likes to cuss a lot on job sites. He got mad at me because I got him on camera and he was smoking a cigarette. I don't think his wife's a fan of that. But hopefully she never watches this. But you can see we welded this on there. So we used the heavy duty hinges over here. We're going to clean this up, make sure it's all painted, make sure it's all looking nice. And this is the control box. And we got the upgraded batteries for them as well. So this is going to last longer. Though the normal one that comes in with it, they usually last about 1 or 2 days. But the one we have, 5 days. So, and I'll resume back when it's all done, basically, but we should finish today. Again, day 2. I'll keep y'all posted. Until next time.